Hi everybody, Jason here from West Coast Gardens. We get a lot of questions from customers who are looking for instruction on how to hang the garland around the door. I have a 25-foot mixed garland that I'm cutting in half and adding it to the door. The easiest way to cut your garland in two, lay it out on the floor and bring one end back to the other end. Using wire cutters, cut it right in half. After you finish cutting your garland, use a zap strap and bind the end together so that it doesn't come unraveled. Using your nail and hammer, push in a nail an inch inside of each corner above your door. Before you hang your garland, make sure all your garland is going one way. We're going to add it to the top and having it come down the other side of the door, draping down. I'm going to use a zap strap to secure the end of the garland to the nail. For a real full look, we're going to take the next piece of garland. We're going to start on the right and we're going to bring it to the left and let it drape down. Gather up a bunch of greens, making small bunches to accent your garland. Once you've made your bunch, take some floral wire, put it across the bunch, wrapping once that way and once back, leaving your tips at the back of the bunch. Twist the wire so it is secure, having a tag end of wire so you can add it to your garland. Take your bunch you've just created and add it to your garland, tucking it up and inside, using that tag end of wire, attaching it to the main wire of the garland. Using floral wire to wire a pine cone, add the wire in between, once back and around, and twist, securing the wire to the pine cone. I'm going to wire the pine cone to that center nail I put on before I added the garland. I'm going to do the same to the second one. And then take the garland and bring it over top of some of the pine cones to give it a real nice natural look. Thanks for watching. This is Jason at West Coast Gardens.